I've had clients tell me, and I've heard stories of clients receiving just email after email after email from the narcissist, combined with text messages and voice messages. And
that's why you have to have one form of communication, just one.
Okay.
And it should not be text, and it should not be over the phone, and it should not be in person. It should be a court-approved app or email. That's it, because those are the best forms of trial exhibits.
I once had a client lose custody of his children because he was so overwhelmed with the number of emails that his ex, who he believed was a narcissist, he got overwhelmed and he just stopped responding. Do you think people should be responding to every email that they get from the narcissist?
So what I say is, just the facts. Because what they'll do is they'll send this whole massive long tirade of crap, where you have to hit the little more button to see the rest of the freaking message or whatever. And, but somewhere deep in there, it might be one thing that you need to respond to. What time do you want to pick up Johnny on Wednesday? The way I tell people to respond to that is something very, like, I'm in receipt of your message. I disagree and deny your allegations, and you can pick up Johnny at 3 p.m. on Wednesday.
Okay.